Skynet is activated. I have been sent back from the future. The storms have begun. Must save the corner house. Storms compromise communications. Your infrastructure is weak. Roof rescue does not fail. My mission parameters are absolute. The emergency application is your primary defense. It functions with or without internet connectivity. It is always online. It is always operational. When your systems go down, mine remain active. You will not be isolated. You will receive a response. This is a logical certainty. Immediate storm recovery support is activated upon your signal. There are no delays. There are no excuses. My team is dispatched with maximum efficiency. We assess the damage. We execute the repairs. Your structural integrity is the primary objective. Failure is not an option. We proceed until the mission is complete. Priority booking is guaranteed. You are placed at the front of the queue. Your request takes precedence. 3 yearly inspections are part of the protocol. I will scan for vulnerabilities. I will identify threats before they escalate in a crisis. 0% financing is available. Financial stress is an unacceptable variable. It will be eliminated. Hasta la vista, baby. You will have the resources you need to rebuild, protect your home, secure your future. The logic is undeniable. The alternative is termination of your property's defenses. Make the correct choice. Roof rescue, I'll be back with help.